How to lock WhatsApp with Face ID or Fingerprint. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to lock WhatsApp, go to your home screen and tap hold on the WhatsApp option you see there, and with this, you will see various options. So tap on the require Face ID option you see there and then select if you want to just add the require Face ID feature or if you want to hide and require the Face ID feature. I will tap on require Face ID option. You will then be required to enter your Face ID in order to lock WhatsApp, and with this, if you go ahead and open WhatsApp, you will be required to enter your Face ID every time. So, this is how you can lock WhatsApp with Face ID or Fingerprint. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.